Hey everyone, DD Aviation here. We got a Amtrak 280. What was the number?
283.
We got Amtrak 283.
Hey everyone, here, we got the Amtrak 283. I think it's the 283. The time is 6:31, and I heard we might catch a Canadian National train leading.
And there he is.
It's the 283. Yeah, we should catch him soon. Nothing from track 1. Only one green.
Hey, you can't do that, man.
Yeah, you can't do that, man.
There he goes. I forgot what was
Our
the.
next train's gonna be a Canadian National. If he comes.
Hopefully,
yeah, he does.
he
should come short.
hopefully,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
hopefully, there's a Canadian National coming this way through here. That was the Amtrak 280. I forgot. There he goes. I forgot what was the led by number, but there he goes. Then after him, we're gonna possibly have a Canadian National. Signal lights are. And as you guys saw, there was a car that ran around the gates, which not clear went around the gates, but kept going when the lights went on and the gates were going down, which is it's very illegal, and that's why I said you can't do that. So hopefully all drivers can learn that. Well guys, hope you like this video, and like and subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. And thank you, and we'll hope to see you in the next one. Hopefully we have Canadian National coming.